Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys. Having a Porsche Cayenne, even Volkswagen Touareg or Audi Q7, all of them are built on the same platform. If you want to see how to replace the brake booster hose guys, this is a super weak spot. You see right here, okay, let me show you this one, cracks like that right here, and that causes a vacuum leak here towards the brake booster. On this side as well, we repaired it to make it home, which you probably shouldn't. We just need to replace it because you can lose your brakes all the way. But stay with us, we'll explain how to remove it, how to replace it step by step in this video today. So guys, in order to remove the windshield cowl trim piece right here, we need to remove the two windshield wiper arms, okay, on that Cayenne. That way we can lift it up. So let's go ahead, explain how to do that, okay, and we'll continue with the next step. So guys, in order to remove the windshield wiper arm, what we need to do first, we need to remove the cover right here. Usually they have a cover on the nut, okay, so dirt, dust, water doesn't get in and it doesn't rust so bad. Okay, this one is out, so let me just set it here so we don't lose it. Now, the first thing we're going to do, interphone penetrating spray. This is amazing spray, and spray right here. Why? Okay, because that's where the wiper arm gets stuck, okay, usually. Now, in our case, it's a 5/8 socket right here. We're going to go ahead, okay, and pre-loosen the nut. Okay. Now, that nut, okay, you will see how much rust is there. Once you remove it, you get the spray again, and you spray where, okay, well, right here, where, okay, the windshield wiper arm goes on the bolt. It needs to soak a little bit. It will not be easy. This one is an older vehicle. That's a 20-year-old vehicle. Never been removed, okay? So be prepared now. Okay, what we're going to do, put the nut back in, careful with your windshield. I'm going to lift it up a little bit, okay? Shake it and tap on the nut a little bit. Very gentle, okay? No, don't hit your windshield, you'll be done. Okay, let's see if it's going to come out without any special tools, because usually there is a, okay, look at all the rust here. Windshield wiper pour that you can get, okay, and ours guys, okay, is really bad. Look at all the rust coming off. Okay, we're running out of spray too, and we're going to go ahead and do it again. Now, sometimes if they don't want to come off and you don't have a pour, you may need to soak them the previous night. So grab on the wiper, kind of like shake it a little bit, and tap on it, okay? Now, the rust will be unreal here. Watch now. Do you see all that rust building in there? Once it cracks, it goes easy, but this one will not be easy, guys, okay? It will take a little bit. I see it already starting to penetrate. So that's a good thing. So while you're heating, you grab on the wiper and pull up and shake it a little bit. Okay, and what happened now, guys? Okay, check this thing out. Told you I saw it penetrating. From all that tapping, the penetrating spray gets in, all that rust comes loose, and the wiper arm is out, guys. Okay, now check out the amount of rust here, amount of rust on the axle, and you can see the wiper arm came out like that. Guys, next we need to remove, okay, these caps. Sometimes you just grab them by hand and you can pull them out. Now here again, the 5/8 socket we're going to get, okay, and we're going to remove the nuts. Okay, from what I see, these two are not bad. Like the first one, the other one, it's on the driver's side. But this is a different design of wiper too, okay? Because this is the one with the two arms. Okay, so let me see now. Okay, this one came out. The first one came out. It has a washer. Let me see now the second, because this one is just, okay, floating there. Spray this one a little bit. Okay, like that. We're going to grab on the wiper arm. Preferably install the nut so you don't damage your boat, otherwise you will damage the boat and you have to replace the windshield wiper linkage after that. Okay, let's see if it's coming out. Not yet. Okay, there will be. A little bit of resistance on this one. On the left side it came out super easy, that's a good sign, but on this one no, not yet. I think it starts cracking from what I see. So we might be lucky, guys. Okay, let's see if we can bang that thing another minute or so. So much easier if you have the power, guys. We'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. If you decide to get one, it's coming loose, I think. I just want to spray a little bit more here and see if it's gonna do it this time. Okay. Let me see, I think it's coming off, yeah. I felt it coming loose here. It's coming. Just a little bit more. Okay, it's loose. You can do it without a wiper puller. Okay, here there is some plastic underneath. We need to be careful. We'll see what it is. Okay, and this one came off too. Okay, that's a plastic underneath with a metal. Okay, let's show you how it was. It was this metal piece here installed in that cap, and then it was installed right here. Okay, on the wiper, like that. Guys, now we have the fenders removed and the hood. Okay, you don't have to do that. On the fenders you may have one little bitty cap here that you need to pull out. It has one clip. You need to unscrew your plastic clips for what it goes 90 degrees. Okay, those are really tricky sometimes because they do break, but the replacement ones are very inexpensive and we'll share the link. So you need to find a good spot on those. Okay, and pull it out. You have one more here. We pre-loosened that one already. Just show you on one. It's still holding. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to have clips like that on this side, on the passenger side, right here. Okay, right there. 1, 2. We have ours removed, as you can see, but that's it practically. And now, if you pull the seal out a little bit, okay, the windshield trim cowl piece will come out. It has a sensor there, wire. Okay, that's the air quality sensor, I believe, for the automatic. Okay, air circulation. And it came out. So guys, the brake booster vacuum hose right here, you have two different kinds. One is with the pressure sensor, one is without. Okay, let us explain now. This is the brake booster right here. That's why we had to remove all those things. Ours cracked multiple places, that hose. So now, okay, we're going to go ahead, okay, and get it off the booster. Okay, which is an exciting thing. The hose itself broke. Watch. Now, okay, right here, We glued it temporarily until we get home. That's where it was cracked. But now we're trying to get that elbow out. And that's one old booster here, one old connector. Okay, we're losing pressure, listen now. And I still cannot get it out. That's a brake line right underneath it. Let me get the big screwdriver here. Okay. 1 second to see where I left that thing. Okay, right there. I want to grab it on this side. It's broken anyways. Just don't drop anything in the booster. Such a limited space, guys. Okay, came out. Now we have a new bushing too for ours. Okay, that's a hose connector. The new bushing. So I might attempt to remove that one too. Okay, it's easy. Come to show you. Just grab it with the screwdriver. Pull it out. That's a new grommet bushing right here, since it comes within. Now that's the hose, guys. Okay, and we start feeding it through the holders here. Okay, we need to spread a little bit. Okay, that's super tight fit. And that hose turned into plastic, guys. It's so hard. Usually it's very soft and pliable. This one is not. Another thing on this side. Now this is the sensor for the... That's the AC pressure switch, practically. Okay, oh, this one came easy. That's improvement. Now, guys, right here, we need to get pliers. We need to go ahead and release it on this side. Okay, let me see. Could have probably got smaller pliers, but never mind. Okay, those always work amazing too. Now here, ours again, we glued it a little bit to make it home, you can see. But now that's cost us. Okay, it did crack, the glue. It came out. Now there is a little grommet piece here that's gonna go through, so let me see how that thing is gonna fit through all that. It comes with it, I guess. So yeah, that's quite exciting now, guys. How to do that exactly? Let me see. We need to push that rubber seal in. How we gonna install the new one? I have no idea yet, but it looks like this piece is in the way here. That piece, but that's quite a bit of a headache, I believe. Well, no, actually it comes out two pieces together right here, guys. Okay, and we're going to, I think, be able to... Let me see if it's going to move just a little bit. I don't know for sure. I believe it will have different pieces there too. Let me pre-loosen this because I won't be able to get that hose out of there just like this one. So we're going to see if we can get more room here. Let's See if it's going to lift up a little bit here. No, too many things will be thrown. Ah, it did. Amazing. Okay, it was just stuck. Okay, so now that hose will come out. Okay guys, it's doable and it's out. You can see just like this one guys right here. So guys, when you buy the hoses, okay, they have two different kinds. We actually got the wrong one. Okay, you see they look almost the same, but this one has actually the pressure sensor, I believe. It's kind of like a map sensor. It detects the pressure in the booster. I think mostly the turbo ones, they have that one. But we'll put the link in the description of the video below for both. Here is your new grommet as well for the booster. But putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart, guys. If you have any questions, okay, by the way, check out Volkswagen part right there. Volkswagen. Okay, if you buy the Volkswagen part, it's way cheaper than a Porsche. Okay, so that's one thing to save you money, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can help more people, reach more people. Let's build that channel together to save more people money, guys. That's our goal. Thank you for watching. See you next time.